Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I saw this video and, okay, let me actually pull up the video because we need to watch this. I'm gonna watch it simultaneously, but it's not gonna be annoying for you guys, but I'm gonna leave it down below in the comments. There's a video. This lady made some really yummy looking Rice Krispie treats. It says crispy and gooey Rice Krispie treats. So there's a lot of videos on here about how to make Rice Krispie treats, the homemade version, but sometimes they come out dry and not the gooey soft texture. Oh, is it focused? Okay, so I'm like bending down right now because I have to. No, but yeah. So I just saw the ingredients. I'm gonna look at my phone. So it says eight tablespoons of unsalted butter. I'm not even sure if this is unsalted, but we have butter and we're just gonna have to put the rest of this in there. It's like, who does this to butter? Who does this? Seriously? We have like 3 of these. It says we need the vanilla extract, which we have some of this. So usually I would just do like one of those fancy counter things, just slide it across the counter, but we're not gonna do that today. So we have this imitation vanilla flavor extract, I assume. You know, it's a little dented, but we have like 3 of these in there. And this one will look the most aesthetically pleasing. Vanilla extract. It's what you need in your Rice Krispies, which are in the background, right? I'm just gonna link it down for you guys so you don't have to watch. And if you want to make this recipe, this is gonna be a little altered. What, Morgan? What are you doing? Yeah, we kind of have a butter issue because that does not look like it's 9 tablespoons, but we're just gonna add probably a bit of butter from the thing, but you'll just see.
So, I am not sure why it sounds like I'm on the phone with you guys, and this is like my 5th time trying to do this voiceover, but anyway, we are adding the butter right now. I don't think this is unsalted butter as she that she recommended, but yeah. But I added the Jeff Puff Minis, and I just did everything based on what she did in the video, and I'll have that in the description box below. Yeah. I also forgot to add the vanilla extract. We're supposed to do that when the marshmallows were melting over the stove, but I added them in later. Yeah. But also, the part of the video, it's a mini ASMR, just listen, it's so soothing. I don't know about you guys, but when I poured the Rice Krispies into the bowl, like, it's just, like, such a soothing sound. I don't know. Yeah, but I didn't mean to make this a mini ASMR. It just turned out, it's like, oh, you know, I hear the sounds. It's a vibe. But I don't know. But, yeah, I'm just stirring it, and I added the stuff in, as you can just tell, like, a few seconds ago. Yeah, so I think it was around this part I added the vanilla extract, and no, it was a little later after because, yeah, I forgot, and it's just sitting there, minding its home, it's just minding its business. Yeah, it's really hard to stir. Oh my gosh, I should have tried to put this inside of the, KitchenAid mixer. I don't know, my mom has one of those, and, we literally use the same exact cake and cookie mix, but that KitchenAid mixer it does something different. Like, it's out of control, like, in a good way. Like, it just tastes so much better. than the cheap $20 brand that we used to use of the cake mixer or whatever. Is it a cake mixer? You guys know what I mean. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So I'm just pouring it in there in this thing. So right here, I am just taking the extra liquid marshmallow drizzle she made and put it over the top. And that's about it, pretty much. And then it ends up looking like this. Yeah, not that aesthetically pleasing or cute, but I mean, yeah. But it tasted like a Rice Krispie. This is like one of those things that you wouldn't be able to really tell if it's store-bought or homemade because it just tastes the same and it really doesn't matter. But thank you guys for watching the video if you made it this far. I hope you enjoyed this cooking video. Well, baking. Is it baking? I don't know. Yeah. But if you tried this recipe, let me know. Yeah, let me know how it turned out for you guys, because I did not use the proper butter, I don't think. And I had chunks of butter. We didn't have a whole stick for some reason. I don't, yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna go to sleep now.